If you want to spend less time studying and still ace your classes, we can help with that. CramBetter is an online study tool that gives you a college game plan, with videos and practice questions that make subjects like math and science simpler. To get started, head to CramBetter.com and click sign up.
Once you've got a CramBetter membership, you need to know how to use it to pass your classes. Well, step one is to watch this video, so nice job. You can check that one off your to-do list. Whenever you're logged into any CramBetter course, you'll see a list of topics. Just scroll down and find the one your professor covered in class most recently. If you joined us in the first week of school, it's probably right on top.
Now, print out the study guide for the topic review and start watching the videos. You'll learn more and retain it better if you follow along. So don't just watch passively. You need this to write it.
If you don't have a printer, try on-campus printing, or use our PDFs with a tablet to follow along instead. As you watch the review, feel free to adjust the pace in the video player settings. When you're finished with the study guide, take a break and come back later for the practice exam questions. Try them on your own first, then check your answers and watch the detailed solution videos for any you got wrong. And that's it, you're done. So you can get back to the important things.
Throughout the semester, just log in once a week at CramBetter.com and you can pass your classes the easy way.